Hello students, today we will begin with new chapter number 3, Word Processors, MS Word. Students, what is word processor? See here, a word processor is an electronic device or computer software application that performs the task of composing, editing, formatting and printing of documents. Students, word processor is a computer software application that performs the task of composing. Composing means creating a document. Editing means to making changes in our document. Formatting means to give an attractive look to our text like bold, italic or colorful text. And printing, after that we can take the printouts of our documents. So in this way it offers tools for typing, copying, deleting and various types of formatting and editing. So students, basically a word processor is a software that is used to manipulate text and apply a basic design to your pages. In this chapter we will learn a word processing software is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processor program that can be used to write letters, poems, stories, etc. See here, so we can say that Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is also called MS Word in short. The main purpose of MS Word is to allow the users to type, edit, format and save the document. A file created in word processor is known as document. It means when we finished our typing, after finishing the typing, we save our work. That work is saved in a file. That file is known as a document. That file is known as a document. So MS Word considered as the most widely used word processing software in the world. Next is, there are several advantages of using word processor over handwritten documents. So see here, these are the advantages of a word processor over handwritten documents. In handwritten documents, the handwritten document is a slow process. By using pen or pencil, if we write any letter or story, that is very slow process. While in using the word processor, it can be created quickly and easily. By typing, we can create our document quickly and easily. Second is, inserting pictures and images is difficult. In handwritten document, we cannot draw a picture at any time or in any size, or from other sides we cannot insert the images. So this is difficult in handwritten document. While in using word processor, in the document we can easily insert the pictures, we can resize them, or we can insert the images from outside also. Okay, so this is very easy task in the word processor. Now next is, it gives an untidy look after making correction. It means suppose you have done some mistake while writing in your handwritten document. So what can you rub it? If you are using the pen, can you rub it? No. When you will make correction now, it will show untidy. It will show untidy. It means it will show dirty. While in using the word processor, in the document, errors can be corrected easily and neatly too. Easily we can correct the errors and neatly too. So these are the advantages of a word processor over handwritten documents. Now there are some commonly used word processing softwares are MS Word. See here, this is MS Word, WordPerfect and Word Pro. Now we are using the MS Word. So see here, in the MS Word 2016 is the application software development by Microsoft. Microsoft Word developed by Microsoft company. It is a part of Microsoft Office and it is a successor of Microsoft Word 2010. See here, this is Microsoft Word 2010 and here is 2016. This 16 is a successor of Microsoft 2010. It means it has all the features that a good word processor should have. It means it includes all the features of Word 10 also. So overall we can say a word processing software is used to perform a task. First we will create the document, then we can edit it. After that we will save it, and after saving, if we want to take out the prints, we can take the print of a document using the printer. So this is a word processing software. Now next is, what are important features of MS Word? What are important features of MS Word? Students, you can create letters, reports, news, notices, poems, stories, or bills quickly and effectively. Okay, in the MS Word you can do all these functions quickly and effectively. You can easily modify the text while typing and after typing. While typing and after typing. It means while typing, if you make some mistakes, if you want to change the text, if you want to add something new, then you can perform easily in MS Word. You can beautify the text using font size, font style, borders and various other styles. See here, this is created in MS Word. See here, I used here different font styles. See here, yellow, it is in yellow color. I give the color also yellow. Okay, so see here, this poem is yellow is a star, so I draw here star using the shape tool. Different shape tools are also there now, so using the shapes or using the tools, I draw here star. So yellow is a star, yellow is the sun. See here the picture of sun also. Yellow is the moon when the day is done. See here, this is picture of moon. So in this way we can beautify our document using the different types of pictures also. And see here at the outside there is border also. It is showing beautiful border also. So in this way we can create our document, we can format and we can beautify our document. Now next feature is spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar. Word processor gives facilities to check spelling and grammar in the document. Students, in this, on the file tab you will see this option will show spelling and grammar. As you will type the spelling, if it will be wrong, then you will see a wavy line under the text. Okay, as you will right click on it, it will show a correct spelling which is related to your word. Just choose from it, then it will be replaced from your incorrect spelling. So in this way, these are the features of MS Word. Thank you.